Hello, my name's Kanji Coder. You're on video 888, BFJ 188. It is speedrun time. Source code is here. Let's fucking go. So in the BOMTHOT function section within our BOMTHOT simulation putter that puts a bomb into the tile map, a bomb of this size at this coordinate of this value of this state, we have done our final DPX, DPY calculation. There's also some other miscellaneous stuff in here. So if we scroll down here, right here, bomb sent, we have a little diagram kind of explaining what bomb sent stands for. So if we go down here, we see that bomb sent just means the central level pack within our 3x3 grid of level packs. Let's go back up to where we were and scroll down a little bit for thought, ignore, or put. So if we are not in the central level pack, we're going to ignore this call because this setter, it is only allowed to put tiles in the central level pack because that's where simulation code is allowed to run. So if we are in the central level pack, we did some calculations. We kind of reworked this a little bit. Okay, so down here, this is the new section. Okay, so if we're inside the central level pack and we're in a non-void room, we're going to calculate the data pixel XY. Where is the underlying pixel that encodes our tile memory? Where is that pixel on our 2048 by 2048 texture? So each hotel is a 512 by 512 chunk of memory. So we're going to take H3X and H3Y multiplied by 512. Each room is a 128 by 128 cluster of memory. So we take R4Y and R4X and R4Y and we multiply that by 128. And then the diagonal offset to the data, the lateral offset to the data, and then finally we add level local X and level local Y to get our final DPX, DPY. Now, if you want a larger explanation, you will have to either check out the code and look at these little diagram tags, because we actually do have like we wrote a lot of fucking diagrams. If you want me to explain these diagrams, then you're gonna have to go to the longer video on Ninja Playlist 9, because we don't have any fucking time here. You are on the fast speed run code review. Source code is here, tech demos only, right here, ways of getting a hold of me. My name's Kanji Coder. I'm making a fully destructible fractal geometry side-scroller Metroidvania Bomberman MMO. If you like Bomberman, or Super Meat Boy, or Tetris, like, subscribe, follow. I'm Kanji Coder.